Now set of formulas in 3 thetas. That is sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Right? You have to remember sine 3x as 34. As 34. That is 3 sine x minus 4. 4 has always cube. Remember this thing. 34 means in between these 34, between 3 and 4, there is a minus sign, and 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube means 4 has the power cube. So sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Either sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So we start from sine 3x. So sine 3x is equal to, now I am splitting out this as sine twice x plus x. Sine twice x plus x. So applying formula of sine A plus B. Applying formula of sine A plus B. What we get? Sine A is twice x into cos B, that is cos x, and plus then plus cos A, that is cos twice x, into sine x into sine x. Now you know this formula we apply. We apply this formula, sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. We apply this formula here. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Right? We apply this formula. Now we require all terms in sine. So here is sine twice x. So we doesn't require this sine twice x. We require only x. We require single x. So we have formula sine 2 theta. Right? For this, sine twice x is, as we see earlier, 2 sine x cos x is the formula. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Again, we doesn't require cos 2x. So cos we doesn't require, but we require in terms of all term sine. So cos 2 theta's formula in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sine square x. So cos twice x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. So apply this formula here and this formula to here. Right? So what we get here? So therefore sine 3x is equal to, instead of sine twice x, we decided to write 2 sine x cos x. Right? So this is 2 sine x cos x into cos x as it is plus instead of cos 2x, we decided to apply this formula, that is 1 minus 2 sine square x and sine x as it is. So multiplying this is 2 sine x into cos, that is cos square x, plus this is sine x minus 2 times sine cube x. Again this cos is not required, so applying cos square x is 1 minus sine square x. So we get 2 sine x into 1 minus sine square x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. So multiplying this, we will get 2 sine x minus 2 sine x into sine square x, that is sine cube x. So minus 2 sine cube x plus sine x minus 2 times sine cube x. Now 2 sine x plus sine x is 3 sine x. So this is 3 sine x minus 4, 2 into 2, 4 sine cube x. So this is your formula, sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This is your formula that you have to remember. Right? Means Sin 3x is 34. 34 means 3 sin x minus 4 has the power cube. So 4 sin cube x. Now another formula for triangle cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So sin 3x is 34. Then cos 3x is 43. 4 has power 3. And between these two, there is a minus sign. So 4 cos cube, 43. 4 cos cube, right? So sin 3x is 34. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube. And cos 3x is 43. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x, right? So again applying same for way, right? But here we apply formula for cos. So cos 3x is equal to, splitting out this as cos, we did here twice x plus x. Now cos a plus b formula that you know. So cos a plus b formula is very well known formula, and you memorize this formula also. That is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is a known formula, right? So applying this formula, what we get? Cos 3x is equal to cos twice x into cos x minus sin twice x into sin x. Now we require answering all terms in cos. Here is cos twice x. We require cos, but only cos x, no twice x, no double angle, single angle. Cos x is required. So applying formula for cos twice x in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. So applying here cos 2 theta, that is cos 2x, is 2 cos square x minus 1. And sine, we have only one formula, that is sin twice x has 2 sin x cos x. There is no in terms of sine or in terms of cos. For sin twice x, only cos has the formula, 3 formula. In terms of cos also, in terms of sine also, in terms of tan also, and sine and cos both, right? So applying this formula here, what we get? Cos 3x is equal to, instead of this, we are applying 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin twice x is 2 sin x into cos x into sin x, right? So multiplying this, what we get? 2 times cos cube x minus cos x minus, this is 2 times cos x, and this is sine into sine, that is sine square x. So into sine square x. Now we doesn't require sine, we require in terms of cos. So sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. So this is 2 times cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x, and this is 1 minus cos square x, as we require in terms of cos only. So we get 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x, and minus minus plus 2 cos square x into cos x, that is cos cube x. So 2 cos cube x, this is 2 cos cube x, this is 2 cos cube x, that is 4 times cos cube x. So 4 times cos cube x minus 3 times cos x, right? So formula is cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So triple angle cos 3x, right, is 43. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x, and sine is 34, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, that you have to remember. Okay, and the next one is remaining is for tan 3x, but there is no space, so we will write see after removing this. Okay, so last formula as we discussed, for tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Right? Now, starting with this tan 3x, splitting out as usual, we did in sine and cos. So, tan twice x plus x. Now, this is a formula for tan a plus b. Tan a plus b. That is, you have formula tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is the formula that you know. So applying this formula here, what we get here? Tan 3x is tan 2x plus tan x. What we get? Tan 2x plus x, that is tan x, that is our b, upon 1 minus tan a, that is tan twice x into tan x. So this is your answer. But we doesn't require this. We require answer in terms of x only. Instead of x, here is twice x, and again here is twice x. So this is tan twice x, and we have formula for tan 2x as we learned in previous classes. That is tan twice x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, right? 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula. We derived this in earlier lecture, right? 2t upon 1 minus tan square. Answer of tan twice x in terms of tan is this 2t upon 1 minus t square. So applying this formula here and here, what we get here, I'm writing here tan 3x is equal to, now tan 2x is 2t upon 1 minus t square, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus t square, that is tan square x, and plus tan x as it is. So plus tan x as it is whole upon 1 minus, this is 1 minus, now tan twice x, tan twice x is 2t upon 1 minus t square x. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x into tan x as it is into tan x as it is. Got it? Now taking LCM, so 1 minus tan square x is the LCM, so multiplying 1 minus tan square x here, and in denominator also 1 minus tan square x is LCM, so taking LCM, so this multiply here, so what we get? 2 times tan x plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x, right? Both numerator as well as denominator has a LCM 1 minus tan square x, so no need to write in denominator also because with the cut. So 1 minus tan square x here, so 1 minus tan square x minus, this is 2 tan x into tan x, that is 2 times tan square x. This is your answer, right? So expanding this, right, we get 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan cube x whole upon, this is 1 minus 2 tan square x minus tan square x, that is 3 times tan square x. So 1 minus 3 times tan square x. So final answer will be 2 plus 1, that is 3 tan x. So 3 times tan x minus tan cube x whole upon 1 minus 3 tan square x, right? So finally answer will be tan 3x is, this is your formula. So tan 3x is 31 upon 30, 3 tan x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x, 31 upon 13, and both has a sign minus. So sin 3 theta, see, remember, sin 3 theta, that is 34, sin 3 theta is 34, that is 3 sin theta, between 2 there is a minus sign, 4, with 4 there is always cube, so 4 sin cube theta, cos 3 theta is 43, that is 4 cos cube theta. As you know, with 4 there is a cube, 43, 4 cos cube, right, minus 3 cos theta, and tan 3 theta is 31 upon 13, so 3 tan theta minus 10 cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So these are the formula for 3 theta, right? Similarly, you know, for 2 theta, see, just to be recalling all formulas, because these all are important formula. For 2 thetas, first cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. In terms of all cos, this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. In terms of sine, is we have to change this, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, so 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Then sin 2 theta, so sin 2 theta is only one formula, 2 sin theta cos theta, and in terms of tan theta is 2t upon 1 minus tan square theta, right? So this is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. I say 1 minus, but it is 1 plus tan square theta. And tan 2 theta has only one formula in terms of tan, is sine upon cos. So this is sine and cos. So 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square will be cut. So this upon this, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So these are the formula that we learn in previous lecture and this lecture. Okay, so remember this all formula. तो आपको क्या करना है, ये जो formula है सब आपको घर पे लिखना है 5 times, right? Write down every day, morning, noon time, and in evening time 3 times as per doctor's schedule, right? Morning, noon time and evening time you have to write for 5 times, right, for digesting this formula. Okay, thank you.